I think that there's been an ongoing demonization of refugees, immigrants, and people of color. And we see this in the rhetoric of the government. Uh, the present minister talks about people jumping the queue, doesn't seem to understand the process, that the process is actually in place for people who have to flee, not who don't have time to stand in a queue for 5 years in order to get in. But I remember some years ago in the 1990s about how the Sun newspaper, for example, constantly had some headline, usually with a black or brown man having committed crimes, and sort of bescreeching the immigration or the protection systems, that these were the kinds of people who were being led into quote unquote our country. So it was all this huge campaign, and I think it's ongoing part of that campaign, to shut down our borders and to shut down immigration. And of course this is at a time, it's the first time that it's actually being that way, I think, particularly now, because the majority of people coming into the country as immigrants are not white. And I think that whether actively or inactively, that race and racism do play factors in what's happening in our immigration system, and the constant sort of narrowing of access and the narrowing of process that's available. So